Just subscribe the button and click the bell icon and go to the and just click the link below for everything. And in this video I will show you how to change your Facebook password without knowing the current password. It's so easy step, you can follow it. Just follow my all step. Now if you want to change the Facebook password without knowing the current password, so click on the Facebook. Here is your Facebook data. If you want to change, if you don't know the current password, what you can do about it. So for that purpose there is many process, but I have just see to you and will tell to you the easy process, which is very easy. Okay, so the for this purpose you have to click on the this this three dot button. Okay, when you click on this three dot button, just search here see more. When you click on the see more, there is nothing show to you about the password changing. Okay, if you click here, there is also nothing. In you click on the setting and privacy, there is a setting button. Okay, one button is this and one button is this. There are two button for you. For example, this is button one and one button is this. You can click these are this. Okay, click on the setting button. When you click on the setting button, you have to search here the private. This is the privacy, but you have to come here for the this is the thing. You have to click this. Okay, when you click this, you have to wait for it. Check your important security setting. This show that which mobile is logged in your phone. So this is all the mobile which is logged in your phone. Now I am using this mobile and this is active. Okay, and this is another mobile but not active. Okay, now when you come here, there is a login change password factor and there is a use two factor authentication. This is for if you log in any account, there will be two factor authentication on your mobile number. Okay, and you can easily access to this. Change it, just click on the this button. Okay, when you click here, here is showing that enter your current password. But if you don't know the current password, it's no matter. You have just simple click on the forgot password. When you click on the forgot password, you have to redirect to this page, and there is two process. One is the is email and it is another number. So when you click, this is my email, and if I click on the continue, the 6-digit code will send to my email and I will continue the 6-digit code. I go to my email. I will go to my email and I check it for you. Okay, I am going to my email, but the email will come to me. Okay, that's not the problem. This is the Facebook email, but you have to enter that code. I will show to you 929922929922. You have to come back here. You have to come back. You have to come back here. 92992222. Enter on the continue button. When you enter on the continue button, this will continue and you can easily just see. For example, you can easily change the password to the new password and click on the next. Your password will be changed. Okay, thanks for watching.